Are you gonna be here all day? I leave at 5, but I'm gonna be with him until they leave. Oh, okay. I was like, I'm gonna be with
There's one right up there.
Oh, right there?
There's one right up there, too. See? Up there in the top. Yeah, he's right there.
I can't see because it's on the shore.
Right there, bub. Oh, it's in there. Ooh, not. Come here, not. Look at this. Look at this big lizard right here. Come here. Right here, look.
Hey, look, Jordan, come here.
Look at that one.
Wow.
Right back there. Wow.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, when I walked over here, he jumped out of nowhere and stared.
There's another one up there.
This one running right here.
Where? Whoa! That's scary.
That was cute. Oh, sorry, baby.
Oh, look at this.
Bees. There's bees. Ooh.
The bees are buzzing.
Where,
Wow.
Can you find the queen? She has to be in there.
That's a queen.
She's like the biggest one.
I don't know how to find it.
She's the biggest one.
Yeah, I don't know. They all look pretty
There's a
big.
queen right there.
But she's got the. She's bigger. You found the queen?
They say
Yes,
she's
right
got the
there.
biggest butt.
I
Wow.
think she's gone. Oh, look, it's me.
Wow. Oh, yeah, sure.
Come on, look underneath.
I like the one up there. It's cute. Where's that other one going? I like the one up there.
Oh, they got this whole place to themselves right here.
That sounds like
How
them.
adorable.
Look how
Whoa.
rain down.
Oh, that's creepy.
Look at their fingers, Knox.
Weird.
And look at their tail. It
Big
helps them
fingers.
move.
They're like the size of Sophie.
Whoa.
I know.
But their
But you
fingers
see their
stick together.
fingers? They're webbed fingers, bub. It helps them.
Oh, come on, jump in the water.
Oh,
You
don't
smell
be
something in the
scared.
rock.
I feel
Oh,
bad
that's
for
so
that
cute.
one. I feel bad for that one.
No.
He can't even jump.
He's trying to find a comfy spot. That's what he's trying to do.
Rubbing.
He's
Good.
doing it. He's doing
How
it.
cute.
Oh, he
What if
falls in the
just
water.
falls?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, bless his heart.
On the water.
Oh.
They're both rubbing on the rocks, probably drying themselves
One's
off.
right there too.
Oh, look how
Probably
rain
feels
down.
good, like nice and hot.
Oh, how cute.
Like,
Those are big. They are.
Hey, where did the other one go?
It's over there.
Uh-huh. over there.
That's the
where
boy.
she-
Clearly a male.
girl.
It's clearly the male.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the other?
Aww.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
Oh, they can go upstairs.
You want that elevator?
Let's take the elevator.
Let's just walk.
He said we must look.
That's cool, huh?
Get this one.
Huh? Yeah, you can see him even more. How cool is that?
Eating the rainforest, understand?
Yeah, that's the way.
Open sesame.